Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and today I'm going to do a beautiful colorful summer look for you guys. I've been wanting to use this Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia's palette since I got it. It's mostly pastels, or it's all pastels, different formulas of pastels. So I just want to use it and see how beautiful of a look that we can come up with. So that's what we're doing today. Hopefully this is something that you guys are interested in seeing and you will stay tuned for the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you would do so. Also, if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. I already did my brows. I'm gonna carve them out and put a base down. We're gonna get started with the eyes. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna try this Revolution Conceal and Define concealer to carve out my brows. And I'm using this pencil from the Dollar Tree. I never used this concealer before. I think it's supposed to be similar to the e.l.f. concealer. So we're gonna see. The color that I'm using is called C10. I changed some things around in my studio, so this is my first time filming since I did it. I just have to get used to it. Now this is not even really blending out. Like I said, I never used this before for anything. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it's gonna make our shadows pop like we need them to. It's definitely a little light, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so usually when I do an eyeshadow look, I never usually blend it into like a flesh tone color, but I'm gonna try something different today. None of these colors from the coffee shop have names, but I'm gonna take this color right here and set the lid with it. Yeah, it's a pretty color. And I should be able to blend all the colors that I'm using into this shade. Yeah, I usually just go right into the color and maybe buff it out with something else, but I just wanted to do it a little bit different today. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna take this color right here called Gola from the Warrior 3 palette and put that in my crease. I just want to stamp it out. I want it to really show up. I'm gonna blend out the edges with this E25, Sigma E25 brush. I'm gonna go in and just make it a little bit brighter. This color is so pretty. Excuse my headband, but I use it a lot when I'm doing makeup to keep the colors off my hairline. This color is called Mercier. I love the Juvia's Place palettes because they're just so pigmented. I'm going back into that first color, which was Gola, a blue. Okay, I'm gonna take this Makeup by Ariel. I'm gonna go in with this Lucky Clover color right here on the lid. Very nice and pigmented. That color is very pretty. I'm gonna take this green color again called Masai. I'm gonna go in with one of these pretty shimmery colors just because I hardly ever use a shimmer. They have 3. I'm gonna go in with this last one, which was Flower Petals, and put that on the lid. I'm gonna use this Epic liner. I think I'm gonna take this yellow, this marigold color right here. That's what we have so far. I'm gonna go off camera and try to match this eye, and then I'll be back with lashes on. I'm adding a little bit more of this shimmer up a little higher. I'm putting on this moisturizer. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and all I have is like a serum on and then an eye cream. Oh, we're gonna go from there. I'm putting on this Holy Hydration Eye Cream by e.l.f. You see my drawer is broken over here. I'm gonna put this primer on. This is the Fenty Instant Retouch Primer. So that's what I'm putting on today. This Fenty primer I used it before. I don't remember whether I liked it, but it wasn't something that I reached for. I think this one is the matte primer, so hopefully it's gonna give us a nice mattified look. The skin has a nice glow to it, so I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes before I put any foundation on it. Today I'm using this Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfection Foundation. I liked it when I got it. I only used it one time, maybe twice, but I think it was one time, and I did like it. Like, I really like Laura Mercier's foundations. She had one that I really loved before, so. Okay, so I have this in the color 6W1, which is Ganache. That's what the color looks like. It's a little runny. We're just gonna pat this in and see how it does. It's not even 5 minutes yet. I usually don't go this fast. I'll let the primer sit in and give it a chance to work, but we're going kind of fast today. My skin looks horrible. It's broken out for whatever reason. I don't even know why. This is what we're working with today. So far, this foundation, do you see all of these breakouts on my face? We have that amount of product left. We're going to try to use only that amount, but we may have to add some more. I feel like I need a little bit more foundation. I guess it's good. It looks good. It does cover up my hyperpigmentation. It says it's buildable. I'm going to put a little bit more on there, but I do like the way it's looking so far. I'm going to just do one more pump. It's so funny because yellow is my favorite color, but I have so many green eye looks. Only because I just like the way green eyeshadow looks. Okay, I'm going to use the NARS concealer. I have the color Amande and the color Biscuit, so I'm going to use both of those. This used to be my favorite concealer like 2 years ago when I first started my channel. It's just a really good concealer. I'm going to give it like a little highlighted, like real highlighted look today. I'm going to use this, I want to say this is, yeah, the Sephora Pro Conceal Brush number 57. It's not my favorite brush to blend out concealer with, but I think that brush is in the pile to be washed, and I have a few of them. What about this one, the M173? See, this is like too small. No, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna blend under my eyes. I'm so used to thicker concealers that this one is not, it's not giving me what I'm used to seeing under my eyes. It's working good, but it's just not as thick as I'm used to, if that makes sense. I'm gonna use this Anastasia cream bronzer in the color Chestnut. I like this one. I hope it's dark enough. Let's see. I think when I got this, I really liked the color, if I remember correctly. It's been a minute since I pulled this out, but I think I did like it. That's what we have so far. I'm gonna get my powder so I can set my under eyes. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup to set under my eyes. And you know how I feel about my Charlotte Tilbury. I used to have a drawer right here, but this desk doesn't have a drawer. I don't know where I put it, but I will find it by the next video. This is crazy. This was one of my favorite powders. I like the yellow color of the powder. I'm just gonna put this everywhere that I put the concealer. But I'm so used to having my Charlotte Tilbury powder to go on first under my eyes, so I don't know how smooth they're gonna come out. Hopefully everything comes out a-okay. This powder is very yellow. I didn't remember that it was this yellow because I have another one too that's not as yellow. It's called the Sacha Buttercup Light Powder. So it's like more of a, it's not a yellow color, it's more of a beige color. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder to set the rest of my face. We're gonna leave that there for a few minutes and let me just go under my eyes with this green to smoke it out a little bit. That's what we're doing. I like the green, but I'm just like not happy with the way this is coming out. That's the sparkly shadow that's on my eye. This green one called Flower Petals. It's such a pretty color. I'm gonna use this Big Mood mascara for the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I think this is why I never use it. It's such a big mascara one. I don't think that's gonna work for my under eyes, but we're gonna try it. This was one of the first mascaras I think that I tried on my channel. Even though it's a huge mascara one, it's picking up my little hairs. I'm messing up now. I'm gonna use a different mascara because this one is not making me happy. Okay, this is the one I love. This is the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I love this one for my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm gonna tap this in under my eyes. Now I'm gonna go with my trusty Dior powder. It looks very light. I'm gonna spray. Okay, I sprayed my face with this Illamasqua Hydra setting spray. That's what I use. I use this to set the powders to make them look more skin-like. Okay, so I have this Glowish bronzer that I'm gonna use. I actually like this bronzer a lot and I don't use it as much, so this is what we are bronzing with today. The Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer, just to bring a little bit of color back to our face. I was gonna use something else, but I have this bronzer and I like it, so this is what we have. That setting spray gives the skin a nice glow to it, like it doesn't leave it matte. So it would be like something that I would use at the end of my makeup. If it was looking too dry, then I would just put that on. I'm gonna use one of these Pat McGrath blushes. Let me see which color. Okay, I'm gonna use this one right here. This one is called Paradise Venus. Just a nice, kind of natural looking blush. It looks pretty. Very neutral for a deeper skin tone. Nicely pigmented, but not too much. I like that, and that's this color. I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm gonna do that really fast. I'll use the same Glowish to contour my nose. This Glowish bronzer to contour my nose. This one is in color Rich 05. I like that. I need a little bit of highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna use this Opal, Fire Opal highlighter. So that was this color right here, Sunshine, that I used as my inner corner highlight. Okay, this is Trendsetter. Trendsetter from Morphe. That's one of my favorite liners. I'm gonna try this lipstick. This is from Clinique. It's called Bamboo Pink. That's what it looks like. I need something lighter in the center. This is Too Faced Skinny Dipping. Gonna put a little gloss on. This is the Morphe Mars lip gloss. I'm gonna take this headband off and comb my hair, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, so this is our finished look, and I think it came out okay. It's not one of my favorite or best looks, but anyway, this is what our look looks like. I will have everything that we used listed below. We did use this Laura Mercier foundation and the Fenty primer, and I think the skin looks pretty good. It's a little textured, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. Everything went on smoothly. I hope you guys like this look. I used this Juvia's Play Garden of Juvia's palette, as well as the Juvia's Warrior 3 palette, and the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette. So I used all three of these to create this beautiful summertime look. Hopefully you guys like this look. It's just a nighttime if you were going to dinner or hanging out with your friends or your man. This is a beautiful look, I think. I hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you made it to this point, I hope that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers.